Enter Bollywood. सब मिलेगा ZoomTV.in.
Welcome back after the break. You're watching Let's Design Season 2 and we're at the grand finale. Well, the stage is set and the models are ready. So what are we waiting for? Let the show begin.
Good evening to all of you ladies and gentlemen and to all our viewers. मैं आप सभी लोगों का हमारे इस ग्रैंड फिनाले में हार्दिक स्वागत करती हूँ.
Let's Design 2 is presented by Cotton Council International on Zoom, the 100% Bollywood channel. So friends, welcome to an evening when the quest for India's hottest young designer comes to an end. Tonight we shall decide with our elite panel of judges who the designer of tomorrow is.
Well, on that note, Ash, क्यों ना हम सुनहरे शाम की शुरुआत करें by inviting to address us Mr. Sachit Bhatia, Senior Manager Representative, Cotton Council International, South Asia.
We have come a long way from Let's Design Season 1. This year we had entries from design colleges all around. Designers who associated with us are 22 in number. And we had Bollywood on jury this time with Prachi Desai, Shanaz Trejivilla and Nandana Sen. It has caught on very well, and I'm proud to say that today, that in the last 1 year, we've come so long in the way that this has become #1 fashion design competition in this country today.
अब वक्त आया है when we invite on stage Mr. Prashant Agarwal, Vice President, Fashion Practice Technopak Advisors Private Limited.
When we at Technopak with CCI thought of doing this design competition and show, we wanted to make this show really telling people that cotton is really fashionable. I wish all the best for all the budding designers to put up a spirited and fun-filled show. Thanks all of you.
Ladies and gentlemen, अब वक्त आया है when we introduce to you our galaxy of stars who make up our prestigious jury panel.
But just to be fair, let's do this alphabetically.
Well, that seems fair enough. दोस्तों, हमारी पहली जज इंडिया की जानी मानी डिजाइनर हैं. Please welcome Anita Dogre.
Next judge is Senior Manager, Greater Europe and South Asia, Cotton Council International, Washington, D.C. Agnieszka Fijol के लिए जोरदार तालियां.
हमारी तीसरी judge has been showcasing her work on the Indian and international runways for the last decade. Ladies and gentlemen, Archana Kochar के लिए जोरदार तालियां.
Our next judge is Julie Harris of WGSN Hong Kong, the trend forecasting partners to Let's Design Season 2.
Please also welcome onto our panel a designer who has achieved stellar heights of success in the field of fashion and uses a lot of cotton in her designs. Let's hear it for Krishna Mehta.
हमारी नेक्स्ट जूरी मेंबर बहुत फेमस है एज डिजाइनर टू द स्टार्स. उन्होंने बॉलीवुड के सभी मशहूर सितारों के लिए डिजाइन किया है, both on and off screen. नीता लुल्ला.
Fashion industry में she is a famous queen of drapes for her amazing ability to drape a sari in more than 50 ways. तालियों के साथ let us welcome Shaina NC.
Our next judge looks at life through a camera lens. He's done it all. His amazing ability to get the perfect shot has made him a favorite among Bollywood's hottest stars. Subi Samuel.
हमारे अगले जज एक निफ्ट ग्रेजुएट हैं with a diploma in fashion styling from Milan. दोस्तों, स्वप्निल शिंदे के लिए जोरदार तालियां.
Our next jury member has given India's most popular women's magazine, Femina, a contemporary, fresh and modern avatar. Please warmly welcome editor, Femina, Tanya Chaitanya.
Thank you, judges, for being here to offer our young designers the benefit of your vast experience and expertise.
Absolutely, Shreya. So let's go straight to the action zone. Shall we say, let's zoom into the action zone and let's watch our first collection for the evening.
ये collection Shrivan Bhatia Let's Design Season 1 के विजेता की design है.
Ladies and gentlemen, Shrivan Bhatia आज पेश करेंगे a collection of beachwear. And our models के साथ एक बहुत ही dynamic और power pack performer भी है. He's a composer, he's a singer. His music videos are all the rage. Crazy antics, scandal, you can expect it all. Ladies and gentlemen,
Let's welcome
Ishq Bector.
Hip, 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 hop, hop, hop. Come on, hip, 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 hop. Ain't hip hop, but hip, hop, hip, hop, hip, hop, hip. Just give me some hip, hop, hip, hop, hip, hop, hip. Let's go. Just give me some hip hop, hip hop. Let's go. I'd like to welcome on stage the star designer, no other than Shervin, my man. Come up here.
Well, there's a lot more coming up at the Let's Design Season 2 Grand Finale. We'll be right back after this short break, so keep watching.